so happy about the new intro and this backdrop. It's a very precarious situation. I'll film some behind the scenes on Facebook, but today we're doing a March Ipsy first impression unboxing and try on makeup video. So I have nothing on my face right now, not even toner. I just wanted to see what's in this bag so that I can go get ready and then come back to use all the products in here to give you guys an accurate first impression. They look nasty. I was dyeing Carly's hair a light brown and it just stained. First, there are two masks outside. This is the PM mask. If your skin is feeling stressed, which mine definitely is, there's a pimple there. This should be good. Say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with a rejuvenating PM mask to nourish and revitalize your skin overnight. Cool. So there's two, which is awesome, and I'm paying like $10 for this bag, so already it's like off to a good start. This is the first bag from Ipsy in a while where I'm like, I actually like it and want to use it. I love it! Turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, which is exactly what I was doing. Mash up two lipsticks to blend your own custom shade. Rethink your wardrobe. Pairing prints and combos you never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt. Write. It's time to create your masterpiece. I really needed to hear that and to read that. I'm gonna leave that in there if you're in creating a writer's blog or you just need help getting started. Just do it. Just fucking do it. Hikari Cream Pigment. It looks like this. City Color Cosmetics. It's a glow duo. There's a cream highlight and a powder highlight, which I'm excited about. Ipsy is asking people to color in with these markers, but I'm not going to. I really like the black and white graphic and the pink there, because pink is my favorite color, if you can't tell. It's a lip liner from Contour Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. And the last and final thing is from Tarte. It's called the Sex Kitten. It's an eyeliner. So I have my base makeup on. Now I'm going to be putting on highlighter. This is from City Color Cosmetics. It is so beautiful. What I've been getting into is putting on highlighter before I put setting powder on. So let's go with the cream one. Oh my gosh, that's lovely. And then now this side. Don't forget the brow bone. So that's the highlighter. Yeah, this is a little too pink for me to just be highlighter. I'm going to use this as kind of like a blush and highlighter. I enjoy this a lot. So for my eyes, I'll be using Hikari Cream Pigment. It's a beautiful gold. I'm just going to pat it and let that be kind of the VIP of the show. And then I'll take a blending brush into the contour shade that I use for my contour today and kind of bring some other color apart from just gold. Kind of blend it out. That's it. I'm using this side because I have a scar here and my eye fold is uneven. I'm using this side to show that you can work with whatever you got, even if it's difficult. Just learn your face, learn your eye shape, and then just deal with imperfections and it'll be fine. Sex Kitten eyeliner from Tarte. We'll just tightline that and that's it. So the last thing we're doing is putting on the Contour Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Stud. So that is it. This is my final makeup look. I use as little products as possible and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I feel like I look so healthy and so natural and so beautiful, which is really difficult for me to say. I got these earrings at Buffalo Exchange in Portland. I am so happy with all of the products today. I'm sorry I won't test out the mask, but I just don't have a need to use the mask right now. The Goodnight PM mask from Meg Cosmetics goes for $6 each. That's expensive. It is cruelty-free, it's non-toxic, and it's vegan. And I got two in a bag. It's cruelty-free, and the full-size product goes for $13. Well, the full-size product goes for $6, and it's cruelty-free as well. It's beautiful. It goes for $20, the full size. It is both cruelty-free and vegan. Vegan and cruelty-free, and the full set goes for $26. You guys saw how chapped my lips were when I was putting it on, and this is technically matte. And the fact that it didn't make my lips look worse, even though they're pretty bad, is a huge win. I love this so much. This is probably one of the best Ipsy bags I've gotten. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas that you think I should do or any makeup that I should test out, please leave a comment down below. I just waxed my armpit today. I'm on spring break. It feels so lovely. I feel so relaxed, and if you want more content like this, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, have a great rest of March. I look forward to seeing you again in my next videos. Bye!